First of all, let me tell you that what is the meaning of speech, or what are actually parts of speech. These are all 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Okay dear students, the next part of speech that we are going to discuss is verb. As you perform different actions in your daily life, आप बहुत से काम करते हैं. Sometimes you read, you write, you play, you sing, you cook. Like you keep on performing different actions every time. आप हर वक्त कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे होते हैं. Like you are never free. Sometimes you are sleeping, sometimes you are eating something, sometimes you are singing, sometimes you are playing. So all these actions that you keep on doing in your daily life, all these actions are categorized as verbs. So you can define in short words that verbs are action words. Okay, verbs are action words. All the actions that you perform, all these actions are known as verbs. Like sleep, डिफरेंट जो भी एक्शन आप कर रहे हैं, जो भी काम आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं किसी भी वक्त में, उस काम को, उस एक्शन को आप कैसे कैटेगराइज करेंगे? लाइक वर्ब. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंस कि आप वो काम फ्यूचर में करेंगे, आप वो काम प्रेजेंट में कर रहे हैं या आप वो काम कर चुके हैं. वर्ब इज डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. ठीक है, इट्स समथिंग एल्स, उसको हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. राइट नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग इट एज अ पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच. सो व्हाट इज वर्ब? वर्ब इज एन एक्शन वर्ड. एवरी एक्शन दैट यू परफॉर्म. Now we will discuss its type. There are 2 types of verbs. Forms of verb, it's something else, वो एक अलग चीज़ है. And transitive verbs and intransitive verbs, these are kinds of verbs. Okay. Now we will discuss their difference. What is the difference between transitive and intransitive verb? Now here you can see that I have written some sentences. She sings, he read. Now these are the sings. It's a verb. It's also a verb. Now how we can differentiate? हम इनको difference कैसे इनमें बताएंगे कि what is the difference between transitive and intransitive verb? If you will find here a complete sentence, she sings a song, he reads a book. Now we can see कि आपके पास verb के बाद एक object है. You have an object. It's subject, it's verb and it's object. Again he is subject, verb and object. जब भी आपके पास verb के बाद object होगा, that verb will be transitive verb. Okay, if your verb is following a direct object, तो आपका ये जो verb होगा like sing, यहाँ पे जो sing है ये आपका transitive verb है, और यहाँ पे जो sings होगा it would be intransitive verb. क्योंकि देखें ये भी एक complete sentence है. She sings, वो गाती है, it's a complete sentence. लेकिन यहाँ पे आपको बता दिया गया है she sings a song, there is an object. तो इस object के वजह से ये verb हमारे पास ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब होगा, और यहाँ पे क्योंकि हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है इसलिए ये सिंग हमारे पास इनट्रांजिटिव वर्ब होगा. द सेंटेंस इज सेम, द वर्ड्स आर सेम, बट द डिफरेंस इज दैट इट्स ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब एंड इट्स इनट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. इन द सेम वे ही रीड्स अ बुक, ही रीड्स, ये भी कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है, ये भी कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है. ही रीड्स, वो पढ़ता है, वो क्या पढ़ता है? ही रीड्स अ बुक. अगेन वी आर फॉलोइंग, we are having an object after verb. Verb के पास बाद आपके पास direct object है, but in this sentence there is no object. तो the difference is clear कि जब आपके पास object होगा तो आपका जो verb है वो transitive होगा. यहाँ पे आपका जो verb है ये intransitive होगा क्योंकि इस verb के बाद आपके पास कोई object नहीं है. There is no verb after this. Sorry, there is no object after this verb. Okay. So I hope you have understood the difference कि इन दोनों में क्या difference है. Besides it, and the next one is auxiliary, और इसके नेम से ही आपको पता चल रहा है that auxiliaries और helping verbs, ये जितने भी helping verbs हैं उनको आप auxiliaries का नाम देते हैं at initial level. You are students of initial level, तो auxiliaries को आप कैसे learn करेंगे कि जो आप helping verbs use करते हैं they are auxiliary verb. Okay, it's another part of speech. Just like we have studied noun and pronoun. नाउन और प्रोनाउन दे वर नॉट वी कैन से कि वो लिंक नहीं थे, बट फिर भी उनका आपस में कोई ना कोई ताल्लुक था. दैट नाउन आर नेमिंग वर्ड्स एंड व्हाट आर प्रोनाउंस? प्रोनाउंस आर दोज वर्ड्स दैट आर यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ नाउन. ओके, एंड नाउ वी विल डिस्कस एडवर्ब. जस्ट वर्ब्स को हमने डिस्कस किया. व्हाट आर वर्ब्स? वर्ब्स आर एक्शन वर्ब्स. एंड व्हाट आर एडवर्ब्स? एडवर्ब्स कौन से वर्ड्स हैं ग्रामेटिकली इन पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच? एडवर्ब्स आर दोज वर्ड्स दैट मॉडिफाइज द वर्ब, जो हमें बताता है कि जो एक्शन है वो किस तरह से परफॉर्म हुआ. इट मॉडिफाइज द verb. The word that modifies the verb is known as adverb. Now we will discuss the kind of adverb. Adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of, okay. These are different kinds of adverb. Adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of manner. Now let's have discussion about it. Adverb of place shows that where the action is performed. Adverb of place आपको क्या बताएगा कि जो भी action हुआ वो कहाँ पे हुआ. Adverb of time shows mean कि आपका जो काम है वो आपने कब किया, किस वक्त में किया. Adverb of manner shows how. What does it mean कि adverb of manner shows how कि वो आपने काम कैसे किया. Adverb of place shows where the action is done. Adverb of time shows when the action is done, and adverb of manner shows that how the action is done. Now let's take some examples. Adverb of place, where the boys played inside the room. The boys played inside the room. Now played, it's a verb, and the word inside. The word inside is showing the place, that where did the boys play. Boys कहाँ पे खेले? They played inside. So inside is a, let me highlight it. Inside is adverb of place. Okay, I hope you are getting it. The boys played inside the room. Played is your verb and inside is your adverb of place. Next is adverb of time. Adverb of time shows when, that when did you perform the action. Like now it's a sentence, I offered prayer. When did you offer prayer? I offered prayer early in the morning. In this sentence time is mentioned कि आपने prayer कब पढ़ी. When did you offer prayer? I offered prayer early in the morning. So early in the morning or only morning, you can say it's adverb of time. Let's take another example. Adverb of manner. It shows how. Did his work neatly. He did his work. उसने अपना काम किया. And now adverb of manner, how. उसने अपना काम कैसे किया. He did his work neatly. So neatly is adverb of manner. Okay. Adverb of place shows where. Adverb of time shows when. And adverb of manner shows how. Now let's take some words that are used as adverb of place, like where. कहाँ कहाँ पे कोई action हो सकता है. Inside, outside, front, back, behind, and many other words like it. जो all those words that indicate the place, they are adverb of place. Adverb of time. Morning, evening, afternoon, sometimes, often, and many other. इसमें time को भी आप mention कर सकते हैं. Exact digital time can also be mentioned. But all these are जैसे morning है, सुबह का वक्त, शाम का वक्त, दोपहर का वक्त, बाज़ औक़ात, and often. These are all examples of adverb of time. Next is adverb of manner. That how the action is performed. Neatly, beautifully, quickly, hungrily, and many other words that show कि आपने action या किसी ने भी action किस तरह से perform किया. They are all adverb of manner. Adverb of manner की एक छोटी सी पहचान क्या है कि most of the time बहुत सारे adverb of manner ऐसे हैं जिनके end पे ly आपको नज़र आएगा. ये एक छोटी सी पहचान है जो कि most of adverb of manners में पाई जाती है. ज़्यादातर इनके end पे ly आता है. Okay, so hope you have understood the topic of adverb. Adverbs are those words that modifies the noun. Now I am going to tell you the summary of this topic. Adverbs are those words that modifies the verb. Adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of manner. Adverb of place shows where the action is done. Adverb of time shows when the action is done, and adverb of manner shows how the action is done. And these are examples of adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of manner. Okay.